Aibo, happy new year to everyone. I hope that everyone is good, man. Yo guys, I'm gonna last year. I hope that everyone is good. I'm just going to carry on from what I was supposed to have done that I have not done, but either way, last time we spoke, guys, it was about the guy lo kidnapper phone A2. Bambambilas, check out these videos. Check out these videos and then sizakhuluma kahle.
Yeah. Good, that's good.
Kima, robone wena sa. Sizukubona. Utshontshe phone wena.
Yeah. Wena
Utshontshe kuphi? Utshontshe kuphi? Epitori. All right.
Utshontshelana izinto zabantu.
Thierry bafana yasebenza yezo.
Baba.
Yezo.
Keep your hands.
Thierry yasebenza yezo.
Baba.
Yini yasebenza? Yini?
Ophinda futhi.
Thierry yasebenza. Yini?
Thierry.
MPD kuthiwa i-TRU yabona lawa nakudubula ndangadlali leziyana yabona even namanje bekufuneka ukuthi sesiye saphuma from lapho because ubutrenda too much on TikTok kwathi noni ingathi kunenkinga la iseTshwane siyabona siyasebenzisana ke Tshwane
Ngiyayithola.
yabona ba
Yebo cha.
yeah so manje uzawufuna ukusinike bonke abanye abantu osebenzisana nabo uwathengisa kubi lamafoni uyabona nje kahle nje uyabona yabona ke sesingenile ke manje ububanjiwe izolo muzi amaphoyisa ububanjwe kubeTshwane abakubambanga izeTshwane izolo
ayilutho
akhange bakubamba no it is fine so kakhulume naba bantu ububathathele lamafoni kakukhulume nabo uxolise kubo
hayi mina vele time lami into leyo bengiyenza mara okwamanje bafethu singibuyisele emuva kakhulu ngakhona abantu sebengikhuzile abaningi ngisho kulo wonke umuntu ngamthethela into yakhe ngiyaxolisa hayi ukuthi mhlambe ngokudelela mara ngokuhlonipha and nale futhi ngiyayiquita
uhlala kuphi wena ekhaya
mina ngimixed Eastern Cape and Zimbabwe Eastern Cape and Zimbabwe
Eastern Cape and Zimbabwe
yebo
so wena usuka from kwaMaZimbabwe nizokwenza lento lena lapha ekhaya
hayi ngiyayigcina thema lapho ngiyayigcina
enibhlungu lento niyenzani usuka from Zimbabwe nizokwenza lento lena
hayi ngiyayigcina thema ngoba
and then nizawukhala ke manje sithi xenophobia
hayi ngiyayigcina thema lapho angiyagcina ngoba singibuyisele emuva and ngakhona istatus sami sesimoshakele
ubuzalelwe kuphi ekhaya uzalelwe kuphi
mina ngizalelwe la eMzansi
but ekhaya ukuphi
like mina angazi ukuthi ngathini thema ngoba ngafunda eZimbabwe ngafunda la eMzansi
you studied in Zimbabwe
and then ngafunda futhi la eMzansi
and then you came back this side you got documents everything documents akakho
okwamanje bathi
une passport ne or e-sharp is it legit right
Passport sharp. Passport.
yabona ke xa kukhalwa kuthiwa xenophobia kuthiwa hambana iba inkinga enkulu nto leyo uyayibona
ngathama lami evarina
wena nisuka lapha yana from that side yabona
nizokwenza thama lami ngimoshile ne mara into le ngiyayigcina ngiyayigcina thama ngoba manje ayisangibukise nendlela eright singimoshele ilocos i-background yami
ya ke mfana so izaba yenye inkinga so wena that ufuna nje usibonise ba ngobani abenza lento bonke i-TRU izohamba nawe manje usibonakalisa ukuthi bakupha ababantu i-kingpin ngubani ivulwa kuphi le phone because kuthiwa le phone nivulisa la
hayi mina sengibachazelile time mina mangiyitholile umuntu engimdayiselayo useyibro sidlule khona
nidlule khona
yebo
ukuphi nimthola Nini mthole Thierry?
Asimtholanga.
Alimtholanga.
Kodwa sophindela khona manje.
Yeah, ni yabona abantu nibabangela ubuhlungu manje obukhulu.
Ngiyaxolisa
Yabona.
Malami, ngicela ukuthi bangixolele.
Ayifuneki madoda neninyenza yabona manje. Uneka ni ucenge ulanto. You must thank ancestors zakho baba.
Ngiyakuzwa
ancestors.
into kokugcina ngisayisho futhi ngiyaxolisa kulabantu ngabamoshelayo.
So thina amaphoyisa bazahamba na iTR zihamba nabo basifuna bonke laba bantu. Nokusitshele le ndawo nenza kuyo nemakuyo enibloma kuyo sibafuna bonke laba bantu. Yes. Yeah baba. Yeah no my friends wakho watshela. Ne. Yeah I just say thank you manje ukuthi beyona bengingekho lapha. Ngoba ngidlali mina baba. Yabona ngibona ngama criminals. Nobusuka kuphi whether from Zimbabwe, Zambia, China, America.
Mina bafethu ayikabi ayikabi. La ngibhoro into eyi1. Ngisam recognizer. Sisam recognizer as a country. Masembheke ebusweni. Bekumele nje ngabe asisam recognize nje nasebusweni ukuthi uye lo. To point ukuthi sigcine nathi sasethi hayibo uye lo. Amaranya nisola lo bhodi. Lo bhodi akusuye lo. After beqeda kumnabisa kahle. Beqeda nje kumbamba. Emuthi. Bekumele abasim recognize. Manje into enikhaya ndiyona nani? Ngibhora. And enye into when they ask this guy ukuthi where is he from? Uthi yena akazi ukuthi ngathini. Uthi akazi ukuthi ngathini. Uashamed of ukuthi uphuma kuphi. Ungwapi. I do not believe ukuthi mina he's both Xhosa and Zimbabwean. I do not believe in that. I don't believe that. I don't believe in that. I don't believe lokho. Angukholwa. You understand? Umfethu nje iswele ngaphandle wabuye wenza la eMzansi. Usesoganga iphusha nje ubukherinqe bakhe. Unfortunately kulokhu ke ukherinqe endaweni wrong because idlozi la kubo. Ngiyamuzwa nje lo ukhulumayo lapha ngemuva is busy saying no you must thank your ancestor things your ancestor. No, ancestor yakhe iphinde yamshiya ebhendini kulokho. Imshiye nje ebhendini yathi siyabonga bafethu angifuni uqhama manga siyabonga for ijustice siyabo ukuthi ke angazi naleyo justice izo last up until how many 2 damn seconds kwasho umusakhayo asiyazi ukuthi izo last for how long because ungathola umfana sephumile nje futhi it said ukuthi uthi yena uyazama ekubene nathi siyazama and the painful thing is that as much as nathi sizama kubhlungu naye ukuthi uyazama and isimo nje sempilo asiko right into ebhlungu kakhulu kuba yilento ukuthi yena uzama ngemizamo yethu undlondlobala ngemizamo yethu uphakama ngemizamo yethu thina siphakama ngemizamo yabanye abantu siphakama even nangemizamo yakhe yena nje angena endawo emizameni yethu so thina it's like thina sihlanganisela ukuthi sikwazi ukuhlanganisela yena kahle siyaphusha ukuthi sizama ukuqoya lo okuncane for yena simenzela umsebenzi ukuthi ube lula thina siyahamba savuka semsebenzini every 2 damn seconds sibuye masiqeda kubuya sihambe sothenga lamafoni sigibela ngemali zethu sakhokhela ngemali zethu amanye sawabhadala bathatha nje amanye sisawabhadala engalanga ngisho insurance ngoba insurance iyadura sisawabhadala senzela yena ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe ube lula ukuthi yena mase sedinga ukubeka ukudla etafuleni azi ukuthi uzosithola sihamba kuphi isibhayiza sibhizi sicofa lamafoni ethu njengabogele ha bese afika ithatha ifoni ahambe ukwazi ukuthi abeke ukudla etafuleni. That's the painful part nje ukuthi thina sisebenzela yena noma naye siyamsebenzela sembalile kule mizamo yethu yena akasibalanga ke yangabe ngiyeza ukuthi nawe ukahamba phinda give back to the community cha sibonile ithombe zakhe echile emaklabhini izinto kanjalo ephuza utshwala nje kumnandi kulovely because uyabona nale background ale indawo lezi ayihambayo ngathi indawo nje ezigrand khona lapha ku Pretoria obvious baspend imali eshisiwe le mali eshisiwe ilamafoni ethu lawo abasuke bewathose bawathose kwazi washona le imali lezi ukwazi ukuthi ahambe yopop adle imali zethu noma hosha bambambileke manje ngebuhlungu ukuthi azange athola umphakathi abanjwa kancane bese yadedelwa wahanjiswe police station nje ibhlungu gabi lento yefone guys yo if you've never lost a phone or your phone has never been snatched or stolen from you you'll never understand the pain of feeling uzana ukulahlekelwa iphone ngathi kubhlungu usegroovini noma uphumile uhambile kuphi ifone yakhe vele iphelelwe ibattery unexpectedly okay akukho that can't be unexpectedly but ifone yakhe vele iphelelwe ibattery noma ingene emanzini yo if icabanga ke ifone yakhe saseyintsha brand new noma ngathiwa isekho yinje ubhobhobho but the last thing oyidingayo isamano ozofika azoyithatha bese mayiqeda lapho athathe nale mali ayebhubhudla ungatholi ngisho ishare ungatholi lutho next thing umuntu ubuye sezetshe ukuthi yena akazi ukuthi uzothini yena uyazama and uyayigcina lento I don't believe in that why ngikhuluma English nje I don't believe that man kuthi uyazama uyagcina I don't Bekufana nje ngoba esegangile abuyiselwe ekhaya ngithi usimoshela acoshwe but either way usazobuya ke futhi allegedly but at least sizathini akufani nokuqabulika ehle i-Twitter nje mangifuqa mangiyaphusha guys yo uyaphusha wafethu iyaphusha yabo nje ukwazi ukuthi kwenziwe le ndaba le ipope so cha uyaphusha uTwitter ngifuqa mamanga. So tell me what you think about this whole thing down below, and how are you enjoying the new year? And I know namhlanje ilanga lesi2 but either way ari ngama New Year's resolutions wakho ngiyazi sama resolutions out thousands sonke of 50 million and billion and sizozama ukuthi siwapush but angeke sure.